Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to lock a folder in Windows 11 or 10 with Anvi Free Folder Locker. On Windows OS, a lot of customization is possible. However, Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7 do not allow users to lock a folder with a password for security purposes. So, you need to use a third-party tool to protect your folder with a password. There are a lot of freeware tools available to lock folders with passwords to protect their data. However, most are either paid or not easy to use. Anvi Free Folder Locker is a freeware tool and also easy to use. Using this software, you can lock your folder with a password as well as you can hide also. How to lock a folder in Windows 11 or 10. Anvi Folder Locker is a free folder locker software that lets you secure your folder with a password. When you run it the first time, it will prompt you to set a master password, and even it will ask for an email when it is installed. You can recover your password using email when you forget the master password. Thus, the developer has added an email option that is quite useful in some cases. To protect and hide a folder, click the Add button. Then, select the folder you want to lock and hide. Click the Open button. Now, the selected folder will be password protected and also hidden. To unhide a folder or change the permission, open Anvi Free Folder Locker again. Enter the master password to access the application. Besides the folder, you will see a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose to unprotect, hide, lock, read-only, hide and lock, and password. To unhide a folder, just select Unprotect option. The chosen folder will be visible to everyone and can be accessed. Let me know via comment how useful this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.